Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the window sweep on this 1996 Chevy Tahoe. And we show you on the driver's side, but the passenger side is the same procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a new window sweep set from 1AAuto.com, a 7mm and 10mm socket and ratchet, wire cutters, a flat blade screwdriver, a punch or a drill, pliers, and some heavy-duty staples. Start off by removing this triangular panel. You just pull it out. And then next you want to remove these two 7mm bolts. And we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Next, pry up your switch panel and then just slide it back. Now using your flat blade screwdriver, push the tabs on these harnesses and pull them free. And for the speaker harness, you just push on the tab right here and pull it free. Now you're using the flat blade screwdriver, pry out this bezel, and it just pulls off. And now you want to start prying out along the edges of the door panel. Just try to feel for where the clips are and pull them free. And now you can lift it up and out of the windowsill, and then you just want to twist out your courtesy light socket. Remove this foam insert, and then pull up this wire, and using a flat blade screwdriver, just pull back the tab and disconnect this harness. And then you want to remove these three 10mm nuts. And we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Now pull your mirror off. And if you have one of these rain guards, you will have to peel it from the mirror first. Now to remove this window sweep, you want to push back and pull up, and that'll release it. And now for the window sweep attached to the door panel, you're going to have to remove a series of staples. So using some wire cutters, just try to get them underneath and pry the staples up and out. And you want to repeat that process on all of them, and then it pulls free. Take your new window sweep and line up the holes. And you just want to punch a hole through the new window sweep down into the old holes. And if the stapler you're using is a much different size than the one you used previously, you may have to make a new hole for the other side. And then push the staple through the window sweep, and then use pliers to help you push it through the door panel. And then make sure you just bend those tabs underneath. And then just repeat the process all the way down the window sweep. Take your new window sweep that goes onto the door and just push it down into place, making sure that it's reclipping. And once it's reclipped, feed your harness back through the door and put your mirror back into place. And replace those 3 10mm nuts. Reconnect your mirror harness. And push that foam back into the door. Now to replace the door panel, push your courtesy light back into place and just twist it in. And then put your door panel down into the windowsill. And now just make sure each of those clips line up. And once you have them lined up, just push them into place. Now push that door handle bezel back into place. And this triangular panel. And we'll just fast forward as he replaces those 2 7mm bolts. Now reconnect your speaker harness and your switch pack harnesses. And then you want to slide the front end in first and then push down the back. And you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.